first time at Ikea. I'm gonna try the meatballs. Don't know what's gonna happen. In for a good adventure. Oh my gosh, my first steps into an Ikea. I can't record with them. First time in Ikea. My first escalator in Ikea. My first step.
Oh look, they have, you could leave your kids there. In Smallland.
Oh my gosh. First time saying smaller. I'm in the cafeteria, the first time cafeteria in an Ikea. We'll see what to get. Hi. What the H are those? So I got fries and sparkling pear. Okay, so I was supposed to get the meatballs, but honestly I forgot and it didn't look good. So I got fries. It's okay. First time taking a bite of the strawberry shortcake at Ikea. Bomb. I'm walking around and guess what they have? Rainbow tote bags. They're so inclusive here. Oh my gosh. Next to these clips. Wow. Shout out Ikea for real. I don't know what's going on here. My new room, I just got it today. It shipped in like 20 minutes ago. Don't mind the little kids, I don't know who they are. Built in Ikea, they got crazy. Is that good? Nice? First time sitting at a couch in Ikea. Wow, that's actually insane. This couch is pretty good. I don't know where the name is. Wow, this couch is great. It's like crazy living the life I live, being able to go to Ikea. Very interesting seats. They look like headphone thingies. At my Gma's, we're baking right now. See? Cookie cutters, everything set up. I can't wait till my grandma makes.
We're out of milk!
We're out of milk. We have to go. This is not okay. Almost wrapping up on my first Ikea trip. First time coming, first time anything. And was it a yay or name? I'm gonna say it's a fae. It's okay. Just when you think Ikea couldn't top their stuff, they're literally botanical here, bro. Insane. I don't know how they keep all these plants alive, but you know, it is what it is. That was my trip at Ikea. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Overall, it was a good experience. It was a little longer than expected, but that's just how it is with like interactive stores these days. Yeah, yippee.